together, everyone achieves more. Look, if you've ever done any team building training, you might be familiar with the word team, T-E-A-M. Now, it's not just a bit of fancy management jargon, it has its roots in reality.
When the road is long and you feel so small, just look inside, stand up tall.
Look, no one's an expert at everything, so if you've got a team around you that are all good at certain things, then the collective strengths of the team are more than the individuals within it. So my thought for this week is, who's in your team? Is it maybe family, close friends, local tradespeople, other property investors, a coach, a mentor, or other groups that you belong to? Maybe like a mastermind. All these people can play a part. They don't have to be experts. Now, your family can choose to be supportive. Sometimes they're not, but they can choose to be supportive. They can be encouraging too. They can be your cheerleaders. Not always is the reality, at least when you're beginning, because they just think it's some harebrained idea that you've come up with. But a couple of deals in, they start to see there's actually some solidity to what you're doing, and typically their view changes and they do become more supportive. Hey, have you subscribed yet? Click that subscribe button down there and that dingy belly thing so you don't miss any of my videos when they're released, which is every week. Great, thanks. I almost forgot, Instagram. Click that button too. Look, it's down there. Thanks. Now, pretty much everyone has experienced that property investment can be a lonely path when you haven't got your new tribe of people that get what you're doing and are supportive. So it's about leaving behind your old tribes and finding a new tribe, one that supports exactly what you're doing. And that tribe of people are going to be aware of what you're doing and they're supportive of what you're doing. Now, whether that's just waving a flag and supporting you or they're actually more hands-on in helping you. And these are going to be the things that you're not expert in. If for you it's not plumbing or electrics or building stuff, maybe you're good at that, but maybe you're not. So you find someone that can support you. You know, obviously they're paid for that support, goes without saying. Clearly don't take all these people for granted and let them know that you value and appreciate what they do. And when people feel valued, they'll be even more willing to jump in and lend a hand and support you when you need it. So the message for this week is remember the power of the team and remember to hook people in that can support you in whichever way you need supporting. And you just focus on the things that you can bring to the table. If you enjoyed watching this video, did you know every Monday morning at 8:30, I do a live Facebook Q&A. So if you want to start the week with checking out some answers to your property finance questions, click the link here.